Hi everyone. I'm very excited to share with you our team proposal. Our team proposal name Cardano Developer Courseware in University. You may have the answer why we set this name in a few minutes later. Our team we name Cardano C2VN. We often call C2VN. We have established collaboration with multiple computer science department in some university in Vietnam. And we not only involved in teaching or supporting our students in scientific research, but also support our professor in planning and building and creating academic curriculum. With that background, we study our challenge setting very carefully. I would like to bring two questions from the developer, the evaluation challenge setting question from here. The first question I would like to discuss is, who will be the developer in our in Cardano ecosystem? I think the answer may be vary from person to person, but with our team, the answer will be IT student. Our IT student will be the future developer. That's our perspective. And the next question in challenge setting is how we make the Cardano is the first choice when developer want to build the app. And our answer is we will provide the mainstream courseware. We are in university, and we also provide blockchain lab and club in university as well. Today, I would like to focus on mainstream courseware. It's also the name of our proposal today. And blockchain club and blockchain lab will be bring to discuss tomorrow. With that perspective, we would like to bring two courses into mainstream subject in our university. The first one is fundamental course. It will be applied for general users, and the second one it will be advanced course for who want to develop battery or technical application. And this is our KPI. We aim to target. We aim to bring 250 students for basic code, and we will focus on to get 100 developer for advanced course. Last but not least, if you found our proposal value for Cardano ecosystem, that's for us. Thank you very much, and thanks for your time.